yes. Feeling myself. Feeling myself. Feeling myself. About to get cut down a little bit more. I found a lipstick that sticks to my lips. Ooh, 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 ooh. Look at them magnetic lashes. Look at them magnetic lashes. Magnetic lashes. Stay tuned, magnetic lashes. Yes. So I just got done doing a video on these bad boys because I said I would. So don't y'all forget to stay tuned. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. Yes, I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. Yes, yes, I'm feeling myself. And I did do that color. I'm feeling myself. I'm about to do a quick video for Instagram, me and my daughter, about these lashes. But I just wanted to stop in and talk to my family. Yes, these are my custom earrings. If y'all been rocking with me for years, y'all know these are one of my creations of my jewels that I made, oh my gosh, years ago. But yes, and they're very light. All of my jewels are very light. Is makeup stuff over there. I'm trying to hide that part. But yes, I'm feeling myself. My waves are really trying to come in. I wanted my hubby to cut my hair, but I didn't want it too low. But now I'm thinking I want it lower since I colored it. I got to brush through it and everything. But your girl, your sister's feeling herself. I'm in the house chilling. I just decided to beat the face. Since I had to do this video, I said, why not? Why not? Oh, I should have did my eyebrow tutorial. I don't know, but I'm telling y'all, I want y'all to see this. These magnetic lashes are the bomb, okay? The bomb. Yes, they are. And I ain't messing up my lashes or anything. So if you are new to this channel, make sure you thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. Share my channel because I'm the how-to lady. I'm showing you how to do all types of stuff. From cooking to vacationing to makeup to decor to everything. I'm gonna be the how-to lady on YouTube, okay? So listen, I will see you guys later. Gators.